If you want to know how to withdraw money from Robinhood app to bank but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can withdraw money from the Robinhood app, where you can invest in stocks, crypto, and more. Although the withdrawal feature can be somewhat hidden, we'll go through step-by-step process, so watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First, check your available buying power on the app's main screen. To begin the withdrawal, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Then, open the menu from the top left corner and select Transfers. On the transfer screen, ensure you have a linked bank account. Then tap Transfer Money from Brokerage and choose your bank. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review. After reviewing the details, tap Transfer. The withdrawal will be processed immediately on Robinhood's end, but it may take up to 5 business days for the funds to reach to your bank account. Once submitted, you'll see your balance update accordingly. And that's it. That's how you can cash out from Robinhood to your bank. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.